श्रीमद्भागवत गीता चैप्टर 1 श्लोक 4, 5, 6। अत्र सुरा महेश्वासा भीमार्जुन समायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथ धृष्टकेतुश्च किताना काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गव युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्त उत्तमौजा च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथ। शब्दार्थ। अत्र मने यहाँ शूर शक्तिशाली योद्धा महाईशु आसाह महान धनुर्धर भीम अर्जुन समा भीम और अर्जुन के समान युधि सैन्य कौशल में युयुधान युधान विराट विराट च तथा द्रुपद द्रुपद च भी महारथ ऐसे योद्धा जो अकेले ही 10,000 सामान्य योद्धाओं की ताकत की बराबरी कर सकते थे। धृष्टकेतु धृष्टकेतु चेकितानः चेकितान काशीराजः काशीराज च तथा वीर्यवान वीर पुरुजित पुरुजित कुन्तिभोजः कुन्तिभोज च तथा शैब्यः शैब्य च तथा नरपुंगवः पुरुषों में श्रेष्ठ युधामन्यु युधामन्यु च तथा विक्रांत साहसी उत्तमौजा उत्तमौजा च तथा वीर्यवान वीर सौभद्र सुभद्रा का पुत्र द्रौपदेय द्रौपदी के पुत्र च तथा सर्वे सब इव सचमुच महारथ ऐसे योद्धा जो अकेले ही 10,000 सामान्य योद्धाओं की ताकत की बराबरी कर सकते थे। संस्कृत अनुवाद। पश्यन्तु तेषां पंक्तौ युधन विराट द्रुपदाय महाबलाः योद्धा सन्ति। ये महाधनुष सैन्य पराक्रमे भीम अर्जुनयोः समा सन्ति सन्ति। धृष्टकेतु चेकितानः काशीस्य वीरराजः पुरुजितः कुन्तिभोजः शैब्या इत्यादयः सिद्धा योद्धा अपि सन्ति। सर्वे महापुरुषाः तेषां पंक्तौ साहसी युधमन्यु वीर सुभद्रस्य पुत्र उत्तम मौजा द्रौपदी पुत्रा च सर्वे महान योद्धा प्रमुखाः सन्ति। हिंदी अनुवाद। देखो उनकी पंक्तियों में कई शक्तिशाली योद्धा हैं, जैसे युधान विराट और द्रुपद जो शक्तिशाली धनुष धारण करते हैं और सैन्य कौशल में भीम और अर्जुन के बराबर हैं। धृष्टकेतु, चेकितान, काशी के वीर राजा, पुरुजित, कुंती भोज और सब जैसे निपुण योद्धा भी हैं। सभी श्रेष्ठ पुरुष उनकी पंक्तियों में साहसी युधामन्यु, वीर सुभद्रा के पुत्र उत्तमौजा और द्रौपदी के पुत्र भी हैं, जो सभी महान योद्धा प्रमुख हैं। English translation. There are in this army heroes wielding mighty bows and equal in military prowess to Bhim and Arjun, Satyaki and Virat, and the Maharathi warrior chief Drupad, Dhrishtaketu, Chekitan, and the valiant king of Kashi, and Purujit, Kunti Bhoj, and Saibya, the best of men, and mighty Yudhamanyu, and valiant Uttamaja, Abhimanyu, the son of Subhadra, and the 5 sons of Drupadi, all of them Maharathis. Comment. The history and career of various those names appear in these verses are given. Yudhana was the other name of Satyaki, who was Arjun's disciple. He was the grandson of Shini a Yadava. He was very much attached to Bhagavan Shri Krishna and was a powerful warrior and Atirathi who could fight any number of warriors single-handed. Having survived the Mahabharata war, he met with his death in internecine feud and that followed among the Yadavas. There was another Yadava warrior bearing the name of Yudhan, who is mentioned in Mahabharata Udayog Parva, chapter 152, verse 6. Virat was the name of virtuous king of the Matsya. The Pandavas lived their life of 1 year in incognito existence under him. His daughter Uttama was given in marriage to Arjun's son Abhimanyu. Virat and his 3 sons, Uttara, Sweta, and Shankha, were killed in Mahabharata war. Drupad was the son of King Prasat of the Panchal. King Prasat and Sag Bhardwaj were great friends. Therefore, Drupad passed a certain period of his early day in the hermitage of Sag Bhardwaj, where an intimacy was formed between him and Drona, the son of Sag Bhardwaj, on the demise of Prasat. When Drupad had become king of a Panchal, Drona went to see him on a certain occasion and addressed him as a friend. But this was resented by Drupad, and Drona came away wounded at heart. Imparting the knowledge of archery both to Kauravas and Pandavas, Drona realized the preceptors feel by having Drupad Chekitan was a Yadvaj hero belonging to the clan of Varsanish Mahabhishma, a Maharathi as a fighter and possessed of great prowess. He was one of the seven commander of the seven Asuhins Akshari, seven Akshari of Pandava army. He met his death at the hand of Duryodhan in the Mahabharata war. The king of Kashi was also a great hero and a Maharathi. His name can't be clearly made out. In the Udayog Parva, chapter 171, his name was given as Senavindhu and Krodha Hanta. But in the Karna Parva, chapter 6, where his death is related, his name has been mentioned as Abhibhu. Purjit and Kunti Bhoj were both brother of Kunti and maternal uncles of Yudhishthir and his brother. Both of them meet their end at the hand of Dwachar in a Mahabharata war. Saib was the father-in-law of the righteous king Yudhishthir. His daughter Sevika was given in marriage to Yudhishthir. He was only one a hero and powerful fighter, but was also great as a man of character. That is why he was being called best of men. Yudhamanyu और उत्तमौजा were two brothers who were princes of a Panchal territory. Abhimanyu was Arjun's son, born of Subhadra, who was Sri Krishna's sister. He was married to Uttara, the daughter of Virat, king of the Matsya. Abhimanyu received his training in archery from his father Arjun as well as from Sri Krishna, eldest son Pradyumna, and was a fighter of uncommon merit. Yudhishthir, Bhishma, Nakul, Sahadev, Virat, Drupad and Dhrishtadhumna failed to enter it. Being worsted by Jayadratha, who kept the gate, Arjun was engaged in fighting elsewhere. On that day, the young hero Abhimanyu broke into the military formation of the Kaurava army single-handed and gave an exhibition of his exceptional military prowess by killing unnumberable fighter on side of enemy. But Drona, Kripachar, Kर्ण, Avasthama, Brahdbal, and Krityavarma, these six Maharathi of the Kaurav army in contravention of the rule of war.